folks, welcome back. We got a cool video for you here on this little tabletop refrigerator, and this is something I wanted for my workshop, my barn, where if I wanted a cool drink, an iced tea, bottled water, whatever, especially in the summertime, I would have that ready to go. I wouldn't have to go back to the house or carry a separate cooler down or whatever it might be. I'd have stuff ready to go. So we're going to get this out of the box, we'll get it set up, and we will see how it performs. And also too, one thing to take note of, it says before you plug in your wine cooler, allow at least 4 hours to stand upright for the refrigerant fluid to settle. So that's what we're going to do. We'll get it out of the box and let it do that. So this comes very well packed. What I did was I just opened up the top of the box, and then I found the easiest way to kind of get at it was to gingerly just kind of slice with a nice knife all the way down, kind of the one side here, and then kind of open everything up. But yes, looks very well packed. Folks, we've had our little refrigerator set up in the barn now for 2 weeks, and it's worked great. Everything has gone well. It's worked as expected. It says whenever you set it up, you want it to be as level as possible. I actually have it sitting here on a tool chest for right now. And then also keep 2 inches of space around the sides and the top and the back, so it gets good air ventilation and all of that. Let's take a look inside. I'll show you the controls real quick. Controls are pretty simple. The default setting for the temperature is 43 degrees. I have it set here for 40. So you just use the plus and minus to dial it down to whatever you need to. And then it does have an internal light that you can either turn on or off or just leave it on. Just provides like a little bit of blue light there, basically like some blue LED light. So, you know, if you need that, you can turn it on or off as you wish. And then I found it keeps everything nice and cool. So, you know, very happy with it. You know, keeps all the little drinks here nice and cool. You can fit maybe about 10 drinks down here on the bottom all together. And then on the top shelf here, kind of depends how you want to play it. But, you know, what I do is I just stack a couple waters here, and that seems to work pretty good. So, you know, probably all told, you could easily fit maybe 12.5 drinks in there, probably. You know, that's what I would probably say. But yeah, it works real well. Everything's going good with it. Super happy with it. Gets the job done. I'm really going to enjoy this, especially in the summertime, whenever I need a cool drink. So yeah, it does exactly what I want it to do, and you can't ask for any more. So if you need a little fridge to keep stuff nice and cool, you know, in your workspace, or, you know, insulated barn or garage, or, you know, your office or whatever it might be, this is a handy little, nice little refrigerator, and it works well, it seems. So super happy with it. Definitely check it out.